gonna open this Lego box. We actually opened it and let's see what is inside. We have the instructions. It comes with this and some zeros. You know why this is coming with this rubber bands? Because the guitar, this Bulldozer has this thing, right? So that's why we have the rubber bands. Okay, one more pack of this. All done. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's open one pack. Hey, Jaya, no!
Wow, what is that? Legos? Oh, nice. What is that? Oh man, that's a small man.
Maybe I should open this. That's
Yeah.
Hey, this is easy.
Oh, okay, that is easy. You don't need a scissors for that.
What is it?
Jadon, we don't need a scissor. We already opened it. See? Anna already opened it. That's okay. You want to sit and build with him? Yeah, you can sit here and you can help Anna, right?
Maybe it's in one of these. Let me see the instruction now.
Wow. Here, you see it?
He doesn't have no legs. He doesn't have even no legs. Where is that?
How you find your pot, buddy? Oh man, you are building this?
Yeah, this. I need to find that part. After pizza.
What man? You want help with that? Yeah, give it to me. Here you go, buddy.
You
Good.
take this and like this. I have more Legos and in these, I have circles of these, but not like the safe. We got the safety ones ready. Two sides. Look, it says top. It says two sides.
Yeah. No, you will put only one. Yeah, Jade, look for another paper. Yeah, maybe give it to him. Yeah, he has a hat. He has a hat. Yeah. Oh no, it's not for your head, buddy. It is for the Lego. You want to put the hat? That's okay. Put the hat to the man.
Maybe it's like this.
Yeah. Yeah, put the hat for him. Oh no, no.
I just did these and like the back things and this. It moved too, but we have to be careful. This actually came off and the seat came off.
Oh, you got a Hot Wheel, buddy?
Yeah!
Wow, man. Drun, drun.
Super tiny. Okay, then.
Oh man, don't get cranky with the car. Woo! Woo. See what he's doing. Take the car.
You can open it.
Oh, okay.
If I make car, Jayden actually like taking
You want a car? Oh, you already have a car.
Hey, look, we got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Let's see.
Wow, this is good.
I told you. I can make it. Hey! Why are you eating my Legos?
I'm thinking whether it will go like on another car.
Okay, then we are gonna put this. I think we are on. That's the meat part.
I think we did it, buddy.
No, we need to do the meat part, right?
Yeah, okay. What do you want, Jadon? Banana. Okay.
You have to say banana. What one?
Oh, you broke it again?
Oh man. And we made all of these. I just mixed some parts. First, it actually work like this. You can move it, and this work like that. And this is the concrete truck. It makes things. Then we have the wrecking ball. We can put this block. We'll put like this. Then
Okay, nice.
knock it.
Yeah.
And that's all how this set works.